Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Amex reward points. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now in order to actually use and redeem our Amex reward points, we first have to go onto the American Express website. From here we can go up to the top where there's all these options, and we just want to go to where it says rewards and benefits, and then we can go over on the left hand side and choose membership rewards. From there, we can actually see all the ways in which we can actually spend our points. So if we scroll down a little bit, they first give us some recommended to us options, and that includes things like an Amazon gift card or even a Deliveroo gift card. However, if you scroll down a little bit, we'll be able to see more options. So if you wanted to see all rewards, you can simply click here to view every single reward that they have to offer. And as you can see, there's a ton of different options such as hotel partners, travel, gift card, as well as tons of options with brands. So there really is loads of options which you can use these for. And what's cool is you can also convert points to things like Avoice points. So if we wanted to spend our points with the British Airways exclusive club, we can simply transfer our membership reward into one Avoice point, and then we can simply spend it however we like from there. So the best thing I recommend you to do is head over to this website and just check out all the offers that you seem interested in. And then from there, you can narrow it down to the thing that's going to benefit you the most. And from there, as long as you are logged into your account, you can go ahead and redeem those points for whatever you like on the website. So that's how you can use Amex reward points. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.